Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix mix missing on Spotify. If you're using Spotify and your mix button is missing, so let's see how can you fix that issue. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have a latest version of your Spotify application. So you have to open your app store and here simply go for search and search for Spotify here. Once you have searched, you have to make sure that you haven't any update pending update available here, or if you have any update here, so you must have to install that update. Once you have installed, you have to wait for almost 5 or 10 minutes. So after that, you have to relaunch your Spotify app, and here you will get the mix option. But if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, first of all, you have to keep or make sure that you have a restart your phone. So now to restart, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, and your phone will be restarted. After restarting, you have to open your Spotify and make sure that your problem has been fixed. But if it doesn't, you have to reinstall your Spotify app. Now to do that, you have to keep a long press on your Spotify app, and from here select remove app and then select delete app. Once you have selected, your app will be deleted from your phone, and after that you have to open your app store again, and from here go for search and simply search for Spotify, and then you have to reinstall it. So once you have reinstalled, it will fix all of your issues you're having. So in this way you can easily fix a mix is missing on your Spotify. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.